Welcome, dear children. I guess everyone is ready to revise the lesson, right? Okay, don't forget to take your textbook and your classwork. Okay, shall we start revising the lesson? Before we start revising, I'll give you 10 seconds to list down the kingdom which are emerged near the river banks and the river names for respective kingdoms. I guess everyone wrote it correctly, right? Shall we check? Okay. The first one is Chera Kingdom, and the Chera Kingdom was near the riverbank of Poike. The second is Chola Kingdom. The Chola Kingdom was near the riverbank of Kaveri. Okay, tell me whose kingdom comes next? Yes, Pandya Kingdom. It was near the riverbank of Vaigai. What was the next kingdom? Yes, Pallavas. Pallava kingdom was near the riverbank of Pala. I guess everyone wrote it correctly, okay? So in last class, we have seen about the Cheras and the Cholas, right? So in today's class, we are going to revise Pandyas and Pallavas. Okay, first we'll revise about the Pandyas. You all know the Pandya kingdom was near the riverbank of Vaigai, right? Okay. Can you guess what was the capital of Pandyas? Yes. The capital of Pandyas was Madurai. So you all know Madurai is the oldest living city, right? Now we are going to see what are the districts which come under the Pandya kingdom. Okay. Madurai. The next is Theni, Dindigul, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram districts. Can we recall once again? Madurai, Theni, Dindigul, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram districts. So we'll see all these districts in the map, okay? So you can see Madurai, right? Madurai was the capital of Pandya kingdom, okay? So next one is Theni. You can see Dindigul over here. Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai, and the last one is Ramanathapuram districts. So these are the districts come under the Pandya kingdom. Okay. So I guess everyone is clear with this. As we know that Madurai was the oldest living city, we also know that it was also called as most popular city during Sangam period. And can you guess what was held in Madurai? Yes, the third Tamil Sangam and Muttamil Sangams were held in Madurai. Okay? Can you guess what was famous in Pandya country? Yes, Pandya country was famous for pearls. Okay, so you all know from where the pearls you get, right? Under the sea, inside the shell, you'll be having a pearl.
Pandya Nedunchezhiyan was the most famous king. During the rule of Pandya Nedunchezhiyan, he happened to prosecute Kovalan for theft and gave death sentence. By knowing this, Kovalan's wife Kannagi advocated to prove her husband's innocence. When the king realized the truth, he died by falling down from his throne. Immediately, his wife Koperin Devi also sacrificed her life out of shock. This is all about Silapadikaram.
I guess everyone is clear with Pandya kingdom, right? Shall we recall once? Yes, the Pandya kingdom was near the river bank of Vaigai. The port of Pandya kingdom was Kurkai. The capital of Pandya kingdom was Madurai, and the flag with the symbol fish on it. Okay, so you all clear with the Pandya kingdom, right? Now we'll move on to Pallava kingdom. Okay, you all know that the Pallava kingdom was near the river bank of Pala. The capital of Pallava kingdom was Kanjipuram district. Okay, do you all know the other name of the Pallava kingdom? Yes, the Pallava kingdom was also called as Pallava Nadu, Tonde Mandalam or Tonde Nadu. You all know who has named this region as Tonde Mandalam? Yes, Shivagandha Varma Pallavan. Okay, so he was the one who named this region as Tonde Mandalam. Okay, now we'll see what are the districts come under the Tonde Mandalam or Pallava kingdom. Okay, Elur, Tiruvannamalai, Chennai and Kanjipuram. So you all know Kanjipuram was the capital of Tonde Nadu. Okay, and you all know that it was also called as Tonde Mandalam. Do you know where it was located? Northeastern part of Tamil Nadu. Okay, now tell me, who are the greatest kings of Pallavas? Greatest king was Magendra Varman, and his son Narasimha Varman also a greatest king among the Pallava kings. So these both were the greatest king among the Pallava kings. Do you all know what are the achievements of Pallavas? Yes, you have been to Mahabalipuram, right? Then you might have seen Cave Temple. Yes, Cave Temple and Mondict Rathas were the achievements of Pallava kingdom. So I guess everyone is clear with Pallava kingdom. Shall we recall once? The Pallava kingdom was near the river bank of Palar. The capital of Pallava kingdom was Kanjipuram district. The port of Pallava kingdom was Mahabalipuram, and the flag with the symbol Nandi on it. I guess everyone is clear with all the four kingdoms, right? And we call the Cheras, the Cholas and the Pandyas as Movendagal. And here the Pallava kingdoms also a famous kingdom during Sangam period. Okay, here I'll give you homework for you to do. So take your classwork. To do, you have to draw the flag for all the four kingdoms and color it. Thank you, children. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.